Everybody? So some exciting news. We just found out earlier this week on October 3rd, which happens to be my daughter's birthday, that we have our official first sponsor. So we are now sponsored by Viking bags, and they were nice enough to send me some products to show you guys and test out. So we're going to go through those products right now and check out what they sent us. Big box showed up on my door today, so we'll see what came. We got a pretty cool looking tank bag here. So one of the products, when I was talking to their representative and we were kind of going over what products would be best for my bike and everything, one of those that I use a lot is a tank bag, and you guys will see that in a lot of my videos. So this one we found and thought it would be pretty spot on for what I need to put on my bike. It's a pretty good size. The tank bags have kind of been a lifesaver as far as like when I'm taking long trips and when you're stopping at gas stops and everything. You have quick access to your phone, your card, your wallet, all kinds of things. So this actually helps out a lot. So some of the features that we have on it, they have a front pocket, which you can store things on. So it does have 4 different flaps on here. All of these have nice heavy duty magnets in them with the fabric there, so it won't scratch you guys' tank. And so you got up at the top, there's a pocket right up in here where you can put stuff. This right here is a pocket for your phone, your GPS, or whatever you need in here. And it actually has a touch screen sensitive cover there, so you're supposed to be able to actually kind of scroll through your phone and everything while protecting it, making it waterproof and all that kind of stuff too. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a pocket right behind there that you can actually put stuff in as well. Then we have the main pocket right in here. And also these come with some extra straps. So one thing it comes with has a little rain bag if you need. If you want to put it on there for some extra protection, there's a nice little waterproof rain bag. And then it comes with buckles too, and a clasp, so that you can actually hook this to the back here, here, and here, the 3-point right there, and these will fold up nice, and you can wear it as a backpack. So if you're going into a gas station or a store real quick, and it's not an area that you're from, or are a little bit hesitant on, you can bring all your valuables with you like a backpack. So yeah, this is the little 3-point strap that they have on there that's adjustable. And then we have the giant pocket in there, which is a really good size. So yeah, you can fit a lot of stuff in here, and I'm actually going to test this out and try to throw everything that I take along on a ride in this bag, and I'll show you guys how that fits compared to the one that I have and everything. So this is called the Viking Survival Series bag. And also, one lucky winner will also be able to win one of these bags, and we will pick a winner on my channel, so stay tuned for that, and you'll get one of these bags absolutely free from Viking Bags. So make sure to check that out. Thank you for checking out this video. Stay safe and ride safe.